May I allow myself to introduce you? My name is Lorette. I am 64 years old and I'm a patient of Dr. Yo's. I came to Dr. Yo because I had a pinched nerve that he diagnosed for me. I was in great pain in my left arm and shoulder and back. So he prescribed some pain medication for me, some Vicodin, which I had an astounding reaction to. It began in the beginning of February, one of the worst things that has ever happened to me in my life. I've never known such pain. Reaction from the Vicodin gave me severe constipation and diarrhea to the point that I found myself in the emergency room and for 12 hours and over $10,000 later, it did not help. I again went in the following week to another emergency room and another urgent care clinic. Still no better. I was to the point where I couldn't control when I had to go number 2. I was wearing Depends. It was so horrible and so painful. I felt like I had 10,000 bricks attached to my bottom. I can't even describe anything I've ever to compare to it. And Dr. Yo told me one day I came in to see him, I have a new acupuncturist in my office and I would like for you to see him. So at that point, I was willing to do anything, open to anything. When you're in that kind of pain, you are willing to do anything just for any relief. So I came to see Dr. Cai. Him and his wife are the kindest, most patient people I have ever met. And Dr. Cai made me feel so relaxed, and I felt that he was so competent. He knows what he's doing, and I had an open mind. After the third time, my third treatment, I shed the Depends. I didn't need Depends anymore. And I kept coming back twice a week, and each time I would get better. I was not, in the beginning, I could not sleep more than 1 or 2 hours at a time. And within weeks, I was sleeping normally again and really starting to feel like myself. So after, I would say, in 1 month's time, it was a miracle. Actually, I have to say a miracle because I felt back to myself. I wish I had a before picture. I looked like somebody that was about dead, and that's how I felt. But now I'm feeling better and better still yet every day. I feel back to myself. I feel the old me coming back. I feel my zest for life coming back. And I hope so much that I will be able to continue with Dr. Cai going forward for wellness. Just even though I'm feeling so much better, I want to continue with him with the acupuncture because I truly feel this man knows his stuff. He really knows what he's doing, and I would recommend him to anybody that needs some kind of help with pain management because he is truly the best. I hope you will come see Dr.